Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off location services in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. There are two ways to remove location services. That is through notification area and through settings. Okay. First of all, go to the notification area and just turn off this button. Just click on it and location services will be now removed. Okay, just click on close and see here location services is not enabled. Okay, it has been removed. Okay, on the other way, again here go to settings, then go to here location and just turn off this button so that location services have been removed. Okay, so in this two way you can easily remove location service in your phone Oppo Reno 11 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.